Everyone, and welcome back to Simple Tips. Today we are going to be making Kerala style Chammanthi. This is a traditional side in Kerala that you can use and make whenever you don't have too many curries at home and you want to go the traditional way. So let's get started. Ingredients: some grated coconut, 5 to 6 fried and dried chilies, more or less depending on how spicy you want your Chammanthi to be, some shallots, some ginger, and some tamarind about the size of an amla, and of course some salt depending on how much you want. Take the dried chilies and add in some salt and grind them together. Dried chilies and grinded chilies, add in the coconut, the tamarind, and the ginger, and mix all of that up together too. Add in the shallots and grind it once more. Grind it well, you can change it or transfer it into a plate and feel near the end, taste it, and if you need some salt, add some. And while you're mixing, if it's starting to get a little hard to mix, feel free to add a tinge of water to make it easier to mix. Kerala style Chammanthi all ready. You can serve it with hot rice. When you don't have any other curries or sides at home, this is a quick and easy side to make to eat with your rice. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn your post notifications on so you can know when we post our next video. Thanks for watching and bye!